It's all about strong muscles today. When you have muscle strength, you move with more power, your endurance increases, and you reduce your risk of injury. This exercise is for all of us because I'm gonna lead you through a lower body wall Pilates movement that will strengthen your glutes and hamstrings, which is great for pelvic and spinal stability, reducing your risk of lower back and knee injuries, and improving your capabilities to do what you love, whether that be pickleball, indoor climbing, a gym workout, or group classes like yoga and Pilates. Hi gorgeous, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. Your friend Cassidy here. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years and I'm happy to guide you through this exercise today. And I want to thank you for subscribing, watching, liking, and sharing these videos because it gives me the feedback to create the content that you're looking for. And today's exercise is inspired by you. Even if you're familiar with this movement, I encourage you to follow along with me so that you can hear the cues, the tips, and the tricks that will help you to master the movement and get the best results. This exercise is perfect for beginners, so no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's move together to help you feel better in your body. Laying down on your back, legs straight, feet up against the wall, and you want to be in a little V shape so you're slightly turned out. Hands down at your side, pressing into your palms, feeling your triceps fire up and your shoulders slightly open. You're going to engage in your abs, pull navel to spine, imprint your lower back into the mat as you wrap your glutes, peel one vertebra at a time off the mat, going up into your bridge. At the top of your bridge, you really want to feel the wrapping of the glutes, the hamstrings fired up, and your belly engaged. Using your breath, exhale, pulling navel to spine. Now, from here, you're gonna let the pelvis release and then pick it back up and repeat that. So you're doing little glute pulses, nice and controlled and slow. Really feeling the wrapping of the glutes. Really pushing down into both feet evenly. Wow, you may already be feeling the burn like I am. Remembering to breathe. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Coming down one vertebra at a time. Wow, I'm feeling it. Nicely done. Are you ready for the second set? I'm ready. Let's do this. Hollow out the belly. Wrap the glutes. Push down into your feet. Feel navel to spine. Press down into your palms. Shoulders open, triceps engaged. Really feeling the burn of the hamstrings and the glutes. Little pulses. Checking that your pelvis is level, that you're not dipping down on one side. Trying to feel like you're working both legs evenly. Using your breath. Feeling the burn, right? Oh my goodness. This is number 9 and 10. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, wow, feeling that burn. 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Go ahead and come down one vertebra at a time. Wow, nicely done. From here, stretching out the glutes, so crossing your right ankle over your left knee, pulling into your chest, so you're like in a figure 4 with the legs. Pulling your legs in towards your chest with each exhale, just trying to get deeper into the stretch. Always good to stretch out the glutes after working them. Tight glutes lock up the hips, and tight hips lock up the lower back. So it's just really nice to make sure that you're keeping your muscles supple and long, keeping your range of motion healthy. Good stuff. All right, switching sides. Left ankle over the right knee, pulling into your chest. Trying to be in the stretch long enough so that you feel the release of the muscles, like you feel your range of motion increase a little bit. For some of you, it may be shorter or longer than what I'm doing, but you want to do what's right for you. Honor where your body is at. Make sure that you're breathing, letting out some sighs, really savoring the stretch. Nice. All right, from there, we're gonna stretch out the hamstrings. So you're gonna shift your booty close to the wall. Bring your legs up on the wall, and then you want to bring your legs back into a V position. Flex your feet, pull your toes down towards your shins, and you're gonna feel your calves and your hamstrings stretching. So we wanna stretch out the hamstrings in the position that we were working them in, so that's why we're in that nice little V shape. Remembering to breathe, letting out the sighs, releasing any tension you may be feeling in your upper body. Trying to continue to pull your toes down towards your shins. Let your sacrum, your pelvis be really heavy on the mat. Excellent, nicely done. All right, you did it, sweet. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You're helping yourself to get stronger. I love it. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 2 of 3. You can access part 3 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.